Do you get excited about great quality fabrics? Can you imagine a place where the world's most innovative fabrics, cutting-edge fashion trends, and global industry leaders come together under one roof? You've come to the right place. This is the perfect place for designers, entrepreneurs, manufacturers, and fashion enthusiasts. A place where creativity meets commerce and the future of fashion is shaped. I welcome you to the 2025 Intertextile Shanghai Apparel Fabrics Exhibition, the largest and the most influential textile trade show in the world. Whether you're a fashion designer, a textile manufacturer, or a trendsetter, you cannot afford to miss this iconic exhibition with its rich history. And that's exactly what makes the 2025 edition the most exciting one yet. Now, this is where ideas are woven together to inspire change and ignite creativity. Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, we are going to be looking into the world of textiles and fashion with a spotlight on the 2025 Intertextile Shanghai exhibition. This event is just not any other trade show. It's a global phenomenon that brings together over 100,000 professionals from more than 100 countries. From high-tech sustainable fabrics to luxurious textiles, this is where the future of fashion is born. But before we get into all the details of the 2025 edition, let's take a step back and explore the history of Intertextile, how it became the powerhouse it is today, and why it's a must-attend event for anyone in the textile and apparel industry. The Intertextile Shanghai Apparel Fabrics Exhibition was first launched in 1995, at a time when China was emerging as a global manufacturing hub. Back then, the event was relatively small, with just a few hundred exhibitors and a focus on domestic textile manufacturers. But even in its early days, Intertextile had a clear vision to connect Chinese textile producers with the global market. Over the years, the exhibition grew exponentially, mirroring China's rise as a textile superpower. By the year 2000 or early 2000s, Intertextile had become a key platform for international brands to source fabrics and establish partnerships with Chinese manufacturers. Today, it's the largest textile trade show in the world, attracting exhibitors and visitors from every corner of the globe. So, what makes Intertextile Shanghai so special? For starters, it's organized by Messi Frankfurt HK Limited, which is part of the Textiles network that organizes more than 60 textile trade fairs globally. The sheer scale of the event is something you have to witness for yourself. With over 7,000 exhibitors and 100,000 plus visitors, it's a melting pot of ideas, innovations, and opportunities. But it's not just about size, it's about quality. Intertextile brings together the best in the business, from luxury fabric suppliers to sustainable textile pioneers. For designers, it's a treasure trove of inspiration. For manufacturers, it's a chance to showcase their latest innovations. And for buyers, it's a one-stop shop for sourcing the finest fabrics. But perhaps most importantly, Intertextile is a reflection of the global textile industry's evolution. From sustainability to digitalization, this is where the future of fashion is put on full display. Now, let's talk about the 2025 Intertextile Shanghai exhibition. This year's event promises to be bigger, better, and more innovative than ever before. From cotton, wool, linen, denim, zippers, buttons, threads, tapes, labels, digital printing, and a lot more. So here's what you can expect. Sustainability takes center stage. With the global push for eco-friendly fashion, the 2025 exhibition will feature a dedicated zone for sustainable textiles. Think organic cotton, recycled polyester, and biodegradable fabrics. Do check out the Ecology Hub, that is Economy and Ecology Hub. Now, secondly, digital innovation, from AI-driven fabric design to virtual reality fashion shows. Technology will play a huge role in this year's event. Third thing to expect is global participation. Over 20 country pavilions will showcase the best textiles from around the world, including countries like Japan, Italy, India, and so many more. Trend forums get a sneak peek at the latest fashion trends with curated displays and expert-led seminars. Networking opportunities are bountiful. With over 100,000 industry professionals in attendance, the networking opportunities are endless. So over the years, Intertextile Shanghai has been the stage for some truly groundbreaking moments. In 2018, the exhibition introduced its first ever sustainability zone, highlighting eco-friendly fabrics and practices. In 2020, despite the challenges of the pandemic, the event went hybrid, combining in-person and virtual experiences. And in 2023, the focus was on digitalization, with AI and blockchain technologies taking center stage. These milestones have cemented Intertextile's reputation as a forward-thinking, innovating event that sets the tone for the global textile industry. If you are attending or planning to attend this 2025 Intertextile Shanghai exhibition, here are some tips to make the most out of your experience. First tip, plan ahead. With so much to see and do, it's essential to plan your visit in advance. Check out the exhibitor list and schedule your must-see booths and seminars. Second tip, network smartly. Bring plenty of business cards and be ready to make connections. Do not be afraid to strike up a conversation. You never know where it might lead. Tip number 3, wear comfortable shoes. Trust me, you'll be doing a lot of walking during this exhibition. Tip number 4, stay updated. Follow Intertextile's official social media channels for the latest updates and announcements. Tip number 5, explore Shanghai. While you're in town, take some time to explore this incredible city. From its rich history to its vibrant food scene, Shanghai has something to offer everyone. Just a reminder, this fair will be held concurrently with Yarn Expo, Chic China Fashion Fair, and PH Value. This means you will have an amazing opportunity to build both upstream and downstream connections. If you would like a brochure for the event, there is a link below for a free download. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to the 2025 Intertextile Shanghai exhibition. Whether you're a seasoned industry professional or a newcomer to the world of fashion and textiles, this is an event that promises to inspire, educate, and connect. If you found this video useful or helpful in any way, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos to help you start or grow your business. And if you're planning to attend Intertextile 2025, let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear about your experiences and any inquiries if you have any. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep innovating, keep creating, but more importantly, take action.